Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdul Basit. Today I am going to explore my engine. So let's start it. This is my engine I created for you, and this is an export engine which creates application. Both link I will set in description. Mm, Both link I will set in description. Now get started this application. Let's start this application. This is its first screen, and before that was logo screen. In this screen I had added few options. Here on sweep, this option drawer. This is first this has projects. In this projects our projects our project will be shown, and in the second there is a backup system uh, that you can use to backup to get a backup from storage. It is not ready for now, but I will work in this. In third one there will be tutorial for this engine. Actually this has my channel links, so it activates channel YouTube channel logos in a web view. Currently I am offline, so I cannot show this. At fourth there will background playground. Here you will be able to upload your projects online, source codes on like Max2d, but it's not ready enough to the accounts. In accounts you can create your account, I mean, but it is not need to this. In update we will get our system update, but it's not working. Oh, there was error. Okay, I will solve it. Update that is not in use for now. In sport you will be able to watch ad, but I am offline currently. And about us is nothing. So this was dryer. Now I am going to add a new project. Let's add new project as Ab2d guys, for now you can avoid space. Next update I will remove this rejection. Please avoid space for now in this name. Now click the saves or cancel this. Here we saved. This list regards that three dots. It has few options to back up your project that is not ready for now. Here you can delete your project. Click to delete, and here will be show version, and this our engine names. On this Ab2d name you can touch it to open dryer. Now go to our project, the created as Abdul Basit. Click on it. It will be open. It will show a dialog. Close or OK. App created. Click to install. This shows actually recently created application that you created in older, I mean before that time. So let's close this. On this first option is go home. This option removes you from go to the back to the project screen, and on close this again. On long click this will page will be refresh. On the setting option you will be go to setting. Here you can, on clicking this Ab2d image, you can pick logo for your channel. Oh, sorry, I mean logo for your project, but that's currently not available in JPG. You can only pick in PNG file. On the second, here you will get Abdul Basit. This is your project name. You can change your application name from this and add this is a package is special identity of application that is separated by, if you will same package of two application, they will be updated update. So keep this package name different for every application your project, it will be okay. You can click on it, it's actually a text view, so you can change this. On the fourth, there is a AB logo again. From here you can pick the splash screen for your project and separate screen. This is separate screen on this portrait or landscape. From this option you can select that how will be your application in landscape or portrait. Okay, I am setting it to portrait. Now that was our setting menu. On back we come to our home activity. Here is our gift button. From here you can check out imported pictures, audios or videos. This is on click picture we get nothing because we have added nothing to our project. Similarly we can check out audio, videos, etc. And the fourth option is this television icon. This is used to create a new scene. As in Mac Studio, the current scene is index.html. You can here enter a name such as game over and create scene. The scene will be created. On clicking this scene, you will be go to that scene activity. For example, when I click index, a here index will be load, and similarly when I click game and game scene will be load. So first we go to index. On this sprite option you can add sprite to your project. First of all you should give it a name, as I give it Abdul, and import a sprite by clicking this and this image. Now this image is loaded. You can check it from here. Click pictures and Ab2.jpg is imported. So similarly on similarly I add Abdu as on this separate long click your camera will be open. Your camera will open. Here you can select your camera and take a picture at live camera. Okay. On the third there is a sound option. From by giving ID you can add sound to your project or video. Similarly on this is the play button. On play your all project data will play, but at this screen your project will play too. On long click this button your link your project link will be copied. You can paste it on Google Chrome to run there. I will add option to on long click directly go to Chrome to open your project link. Leave this option for now. I go to this last option. This is the script system activity. On click this, you will go to script system. Here is first home button. To go home and JS coding, it will show your project scripts. There is nothing, and there is add button blocks to add, and here will show our blocks. Let's click add button. Here you all the IDs of application that you will elements to home screen will be shown here. Here you can on load screen when the activity will load, when your game will be loaded. Second block is on object click. When you enter the ID, it will get click on object. When you click on the ID, your command will execute. On object load, the third block, this will execute command when the object of ID will be loaded. Close event to set p after that event to close the function. Here is a value and transform x that works to move your widgets right and left. Similarly, transform y moves up and down. Alerts show a diagram. These values at alert set text. This change the text, and this sets color, text font, text size, something. First, let's go to the home activity. I will give you explaining this script system and more block to that soon. Now go back to the home screen, close this. From here we are going to learn how to add your screens. Now first of all, we should enter ID for our new project. For example, we give ID smaller. We should use small capitalize. Gives what to do? Yeah, we gives it an ID as button as but and show a text dialog. Button button will show on the buttons, and but will be its identity. We will put this and add sprite. It will added as sprite as image, but we did not have selected an image. From here we can check what image Ab2.jpg is available. So here we can add image, and here we should put that name. The image we want to show up to jpg will become, and separate this image is loaded. And the third option is should delete this. At second is the text. Here you can id text, and in src you have to put that you need to show as show. On click show or text you will be added. At third there is sound. You should give it id as sound, or as you can want to name. And src should be sound track name that you have important to say. We set it sound. On click sound, a sound project will be added. Now import sound to our project as SUND sound, SUND sound, and click sound to import a sound file. Here's our sound string. I have nothing. Let me search audios. There are some download. Let's mm, let's select this. Now this sound is important. What happened? Now this sound is important. You can play here. You can play add a sound to your project. Now at fourth option there is a blank. To add a simple blank project, let's add it for this blank, and you can here enter here name or blank will does not need any function. And similarly you can add video. As I import video to my project, name as video, and import a video by clicking. Here are the videos. Let me this is my own application. This is done that I showed at name. So I just videos and pick a file again. This file. This file is important to my project. Here you can see at videos doc. So I put that videos at name here, videos, and here IDs for the as video, and creates a video. Here the video will be loaded. You can play it as it was my application, so I can play this. Actually this tutorial was ended because I created another thing. Now I will show you few time later. Similarly you can add link can be used to create to change different activities and click or to play a link onto something. And here I id for link L1K link, and a link to as suppose this is a link, and we click on link, this will be link. Okay, this is nothing to find here, nothing is here, so it will show nothing. And this was tutorial. I will explain you much then later. And now it's come to style, and clicks any id name, you will be go to an other eye. Here is the CSS coding system. Here you will see this tab. This is the home button. To go back to home, this is custom id. You can add custom id, otherwise id will be selected that you clicked. And clicks you will be get more IDs as added, something added in the project. And close this, you will current IDs will be too. here will here I will add this letter, but it's not working for now. Just add it. Now here you can add css, any css property or value together. As I set color to red, I will you can get these values and codes on Google's. Any css value this will support, but like longer one, I will explain this in other videos as we will need. I know this is a little hard, but I will to try to ease them with these something like that at bottom. Now on back button you will be go back to the screen, close that. Now this project is ready. Unclick this script actually for long. You will go to another activity that is for this menu for HTML. CSS programmer, are you wrong editing can cause the app crash. It will not work. Your application will be slow. I am not, so it closes. If I click yes, uh, here is the spinner that uses HTML game HTML. Here is the game HTML that will be shows. Unclick this, you will get these audios, videos. These are the files that we important. Index is the main activity. J is the Java code string. Style CSS. Video, you will get video. And create index.html, we will here get our output coding that we did. On ticks it will be set. Close this. Now here we check our next activity, index.ht game. Here we add a link name as game.html to go to our game activity. I am adding this link. And this is our index activity. And again open game, this is our game activity. So here we click, here we add a link to go back to our index.html and link. This is a link to go back to index.html, and this is link to go back to. You can use link to do that. Now all activities may be done. Now here is that button. That is very important button. It can be used to export your application. You can use this to export your, but before that you should download Ab2d export engine, otherwise it will crash, error or something like that. I will give link in description to download both engines. You can try. So I click on this engine, and this opens a new application. Ab2d. Here it's automatically gets files, the last edited file that we use Abdul Basit. If before you started, let's check this Abdul Basit. I mean your project name. If it will look correct, then go down, sweep down, and click that run button at the bottom. It's not this is the last line at bottom, but you should check this is okay or not. If okay, after that click on this run button. This has many options. I will say you later. Okay, here it's guess the resources part of our project. At second is a Java parts to our application. At third is magnificate and assist that our projects creates. And native libs, we are not using any native libs, so we left it out of the application. Here our project will go. And app comport export dryers dot to our application material, something like that. Local libs, here in local libs we are not using this too, so we skip this. Here you can set minimum SD version and maximum SD version to show this how minimum Android version your application will run, and this is the maximum version that can be used to run your application. Here is the version name. You can change it, this version name, and this version name you can change it to the version name as application version name. My version name of my game engine is 1.15.0, something like that. You can change it down. Java version, you can change your compiling Java version 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 is selected. Here is a Dexter, then this D8 is currently selected, and this button is left disabled. You can collect this TX. At bottom this is string fork option. It will it will compress all strings of your application, but it should be activated. Rx RH wrinkle, this will shrink your application. ProGuard is a rule, but we are not using it. This and this will show our output application output. It's preparing, compelling resources, linking resources, running, packaging APK, signing APK, building APK. Application was successful and take about 100 seconds. Oh my god, and that was milliseconds, took about 100 seconds. So our project is ready to that portion. In this project file already in this storages. So without doing this, we can go to back, and this will be show the latest created application, or the application will be changed. I mean when I will I will I will add different dictionary for that, but all that time this application created the latest one. You can copy the created in that portion in bin. Let me check it. Close our engine, go to our file manager. In Ab2d, this is storage, and now go to an AB Studio, Ab2d game engine. Here our project is ready in bin, and this is the application our project has. You can copy it, or I will change many. I will add to protect this, but now for now this is not, so it will be updated with latest version you created application. So you can copy this application to your new path to select this. Now we'll go back to our engine to install this application. Will install by clicking OK. So I click this OK button to install this application, and click this will load and will install that option. And this is the application we have to install. On install button, click the application will be installed. Look, this application is installed successfully. Let's open this, and this is the activity scenes we selected in our project, and here it will load our project created files. I will show you more, and similarly it's a work and it's a game activity, and go back to the home activity. This is the final. So this was my game engine. I will give links for these both applications in description, and thanks for watching. I will add more blocks. Still working on my engine to add more blocks. I will add. Please guys watches my apply system. Thank you for tuning. You can support. It's not ready for now, but you can support me at support button in the dryer tab. I will I will add more and more option to my engine. Please be connected to my engine. Thank you all of guys for watching this video. It will be really nice for you. Thanks you for it. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe my engine. Thank you. Subscribe my channel. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.